Coco here, sitting in the pit waiting for my next race. Wait, no I'm not. I'm sitting in my living room because of COVID-19. Just wanted to say I miss everyone loads. My highlights from 2020 were coming second in the Bambino Cup, joining the Ohvale Cup by surprise, and getting my first ever podium in the Ohvale Cup at Win Series Round 1 by coming third place. My ambitions for 2021 is coming in the top 5 for the Ohvale Cup, getting some podiums for the Ohvale Cup, and making loads more friends. See you later, and thank you everyone for helping me. Dad. Bye.
I am Travis Shaw. My first year racing in the Ohvale Cup. It's my first year racing gear bikes. I'm hoping to score some points. 2020 was my first year racing on a mini motor. My best position was third. My favourite track of 2020 was Railroad because I got my best position then. It was my first podium, so I'm looking forward to do it in Ohvale Cup 110. 21 is going to be a big year for me because I'm one of the youngest riders and I've got a lot to learn. And I'm looking forward to see you at round 1.
Hi, I'm Jack Newton and I race on the 135 in the Ohvale 110 Cup. My highlight from the 2020 season were the good battles I had with Cameron at Three Sisters, and I managed to score points in every race I did for my first time racing that bike. My goal for 2021 is I want to get higher up in the grid so that I can improve my riding and hopefully win some trophies. Bring on 2021!